Let's try to understand the Meta ads architecture, which is by far one of the most confusing things, and this is where a lot of people get confused. So what is the architecture looking like here? So a lot of people gets confused here, and obviously if I just send you this without any explanation, you'll surely get confused, right? But let's try from the very basics, right? So everyone knows a Facebook page. Everyone knows how to create a Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook profile, you can create a page for your business, your own brand, your own business, someone else's business. It's not a really difficult thing to create a Facebook page. Once you create the Facebook page, you are the owner of that page, right? Now, same thing goes for Instagram. In Instagram, there's no page, right? It's either a personal profile or it's a business profile, right? You don't get to create a profile and then create any pages under that profile, unlike Facebook. In Facebook, you have your personal profile, and then under that profile, you can create 20, 30 pages. I'm not sure how many pages you can create, but yeah, you can create multiple pages. But for Instagram, if you have to create a profile for the business, you create it separately. You don't get access to that profile via another account. Now, what about WhatsApp? Same thing as Instagram. So you can create either a personal WhatsApp account or you could create a business WhatsApp account. They both have their separate mobile apps. Now, these three things combined are known as Meta Business Suite. So Meta Business Suite is a platform that will basically give you access to all these three tools or these three entities of Meta and let you manage them from there. That's basically it. That said, they're interconnected, right? So Facebook page can be connected to Instagram. So you go to the Facebook page or you go to Instagram on your mobile app. There's a place where you can connect your Facebook page. Same thing for WhatsApp. You can connect WhatsApp to your Facebook page. And if these three things are connected, you can access from the Meta Business Suite. So how do you access Meta Business Suite? Let me show you. So if you go to, if you're logged into your Facebook profile, that's very important. You have to either logged into your Facebook profile or you have to log into your Instagram profile. At least one login is necessary for Meta Business Suite to be accessed. So if you go to a new tab and search for business.facebook.com, this is the URL we have to go to in order to go to the Meta Business Suite, right? Enter, and that will basically take you to the Meta Business Suite. There we go. So this is, as you can see, Facebook, that's Instagram. Instagram is not connected. And if you want to go to a different Meta Business Suite, you go from here. So just click on this, and this is another business suite. There we go. So this is my own Meta Business Suite, right? And that's how we navigate to the Meta Business Suite. So what do we have there? We have Ads Manager, we have Planner, Content, so we can schedule, we can look at the reports, we can look at who liked our posts, who commented, who sent us message on our Facebook page and Instagram. We can do these stuff. Now let's go one step further. How do we advertise? So to advertise, we need an ad account. And let's think about it. So we want to advertise, we need an ad account. And what are we running the ads through? Obviously, we're running it from our ad account, but when people see the ad, what are they seeing this through? They're either seeing this through our Facebook page, if they are seeing on Facebook. If the ad's being displayed on Instagram, they'll see it through our Instagram profile. If they're seeing it on WhatsApp, they are seeing it through our WhatsApp business profile. Just so you know, personal profiles are not supported for advertisement, okay? They are, but in a different way. Again, it's very confusing, guys. Anyway, we are running the ads from our ad account, and depending on what platform we are showing the ads on, we have to show it through our respective profiles: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Now, if you want to create that, you have to track the results as well. Right? So how many leads are we getting from Facebook? How many are we getting from Instagram? What are we getting? Are we getting leads? Are we getting schedules? Are we getting messages or phone calls? What are we getting? In order to track that, you will need pixels. So you'll need to create pixels as well. So far we know that we have a Meta Business Suite where we have connected these three entities. Now, in order to advertise, we need an ad account as well. And in order to track the performance of ads, we will need pixels. So all these 5 things, right, connected together, is known as Meta Business Portfolio. So a Meta Business Portfolio has a lot of other things, but most importantly, it holds everything in the Meta Business Suite, and it holds the ad account and the pixels if you're using multiple pixels, right? That's basically it.